Good morning, my dear students. I am going to start a new lesson for you, organ systems in animals. In today's class, we will discuss about introduction, organ system, functions of organ system, and human digestive system. Introduction. Cells are the basic fundamental units of an organism. Of course, you know very well. Cell is the structural and the functional unit of all the living organisms, right? Organs and organ systems of an organism function by depending on one another. So these organs as well as organ systems are all depending each other. Organ systems have appeared in the phylum Platyhelminthes. You know Platyhelminthes, it's coming under flatworms. Two or more organs together form organ systems and perform common functions. See, organ system is what? Functioning of two or more organs. For example, heart, lungs, liver. These are some of the organs. So, all these organs are working together, which we say it is organ system. So, all are working together and perform common functions. Yes, this is the pyramid which shows you the organ, which shows you about the organism. All the living organisms are evolved from the simplest form to complex level of organization. This pyramid shows you that. See, these chemicals as well as cells. These chemicals are forming the cells, and the cells are the basic fundamental unit of an organism. They are grouped to form the tissues, and the tissues are grouped to form the organs, and the organs form the organ system. So the entire organism is formed with the help of the organ systems. They are working together to form an organism. The different organs and organ systems of an organism function by depending on one another with the harmonious coordination. So all the organ systems are depending on each other and they have got good coordination among themselves. That only makes up the organism. Now we'll see the organ systems. How many organ systems are undergoing in our body? Here, it's listed for you. First, integumentary system, skeletal system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, sensory system and endocrine system. So in this lesson, we will learn about all these kinds of system, right? The first organ system is integumentary system. Integumentary system is what? It is consisting of external organs that protect the body from damage. It includes the skin, nails and hair. The skin is the largest organ of the human body. It is made up of three layers: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. And what's its function? Protection as well as excretion or its function. So the skin protects our body and also excrete the unwanted waste water in a form of sweat. Okay. Next organ system is skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones in the human body. The skeleton forms the supporting structure of the body. A human infant has 270 bones, some of which fuse together and form 206 bones in the adult human body. This is the one which gives proper structure to the human body. And the functions, what is its function? It gives support, shape and form the body. Shape and form to the body. Support as well as shape and form to the body is given with the help of the skeletal system. And the next organ system is nervous system. It is the complex collection of nerves and specialized cells known as neurons. Neurons, remember. It transmits signals between different parts of the body. It is essentially the body's electrical wiring. Structurally, it has two components, the CNS and PNS. CNS is central nervous system and PNS is peripheral nervous system. Next, and what is its function? It conducts the nerve impulses. So information from the sensory organs are carried to the brain, and all kind of response or reflex reactions are undergone with the help of this nervous system only. And the next system is muscular system. It includes different type of muscles in the body. Cardiac, smooth and skeletal muscles are there. Cardiac muscle is present only in the heart and it contracts as well as relaxes to pump the blood. Skeletal muscles are present around the skeleton and work together to move the body. The contraction as well as the relaxation resulting in the movement. That is the main function of muscular system. And next organ system, circulatory system. It is also known as cardiovascular system. It consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. It circulates blood throughout the body in order to circulate nutrients as well as oxygen to the cells. So transportation of respiratory gases, nutritive substances and waste products is the main function of the circulatory system. And the next organ system is the respiratory system. Respiratory system is helpful for breathing, intaking oxygen and releasing out carbon dioxide. So this only helps in the oxidation of our body. The food is converted to energy only with the help of this respiratory system. It is made up of organs used for breathing. It includes lungs, diaphragm, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, etc. Here, the oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between outside air as well as blood. Some animals like frog, fish, etc. breathe through their lungs, gills or even through their skin. So breathing is the main function of respiratory system. And the next organ system is digestive system. So this digestive system only digests the food and absorb energy and supply it to the body. It is made up of gastrointestinal tract along with accessory organs for digestion. These accessory organs include tongue, liver, pancreas and gallbladder. So digestion, absorption and egestion are its main function. Egestion is what? Excretion of wastages from the body. That is what we say it is egestion. So this is the main function of digestive system. The next system what we are going to see is excretory system. This excretory system get rid of waste from the body in the form of urine. Here kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra are the parts of the excretory system. Sometimes the lungs, skin and also large intestine comes under this excretory system. Why means skin excrete the waste water in the form of sweat. Lungs excrete the carbon dioxide from our body. And large intestine expels undigested food from our body. So all this come under the excretory system. So the elimination of nitrogenous waste products from our body is the main function of excretory system. And the next organ system, reproductive system. Here the organs are testis and ovary. Testis for male and ovary for female. These are the main reproductive organs. Their main function is to form the gamete and develop the secondary sexual characteristics. A next system is sensory system. It is a part of nervous system for processing sensory information. It consists of sensory neurons. Neural pathways and brain are involved in the sensory perception. And what is its function? Sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch are the sensory functions. So what are the sensory organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And the next organ system is endocrine system. This endocrine system comprises of all the glands of the body which produce hormones. These hormones are carried in the bloodstream. Pituitary gland produce reproductive and many other body regulating hormones. And thyroid has a role in metabolism and protein synthesis. What about adrenal gland? This adrenal gland produces adrenaline and it stimulates the flight and fright response. Now let's move on to know in detail about digestive system. A group of organs working together to convert food into energy. The food we eat contain not only simple substances like vitamins and minerals, but also complex substances such as carbohydrates, proteins and fat. The process of nutrition begins with intake of food. This is called as ingestion. So this ingestion is important one word. The process of nutrients begins with the intake of food. So we intake food, right? That is called as ingestion. And then there are 5 stages of food processing. So this is very important 2-mark question. What are the 5 stages of food processing? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. So ingestion is what? Taking the food in. Digestion is what? The intaken food is digested. And absorption is what? The food is from the energy from the food, nutrients from the food is absorbed and that is mixed up to the blood. So absorption into the blood. And assimilation is what? The absorbed energy is supplied to the cells. That is assimilation into the body. And finally, digestion. So undigested food are ejected out of the body. So these are the 5 stages which are coming under the digestive system. And next, digestion. So important 2-mark question, digestion. The breakdown of large complex insoluble food molecules into small simpler soluble and diffusible particles by the action of digestive enzyme is called as digestion. So for the process of digestion, digestive enzymes are required which helps in the breakdown of complex food into simple one. That's what we say it as digestion. So the bigger food molecules are converted into smaller or simple substances. This is done with the help of enzymes, which we say it is digestion. The digestive system consists of 2 sets of organs. They are as follows. One is alimentary canal, another one is digestive gland. So what's alimentary canal? It is a passage starting from mouth and ending with the anus. So starting from mouth ending with anus is what we say it is alimentary canal. And next is digestive gland. So digestive gland is what? The glands associated with the alimentary canal or the salivary gland, gastric gland, pancreas, liver and intestinal glands. So these are all helping in the process of digestion. So the digestive glands secrete the essential products which are helpful in the process of digestion. So, we will learn about this alimentary canal and digestive gland in detail in the next class. Hope you understood. Thank you.